with your legs stretched straight in front of you. Fold your right leg and place it under the right hip. Shift your weight on the right side. Fold your left leg and place the left feet under the left buttock in such a way that your toes should point in touching each other and heels outside. Keep your head, neck, and spine in a straight line. Place your palms on your thighs. Breathe in and out deeply, making yourself comfortable in the posture. Sitting in Vajrasana helps in digestion and improving the alignment of the spine. Slowly release your legs one by one and relax your ankles.